Years of using Adobe, years later after quitting Adobe, and years after testing programs that could compare to Adobe's one. Now, in this year, we finally got a new program that would change things, especially to anyone, literally anyone, who wants to start designing using affordable tools. No subscription, not even one-time payment, but completely free. Welcome to another video with Yui. Yui is here to help you start your creative journey using free and affordable programs. Ready? Say hi to Affinity's new version. In case you don't know what Affinity is, Affinity have actually been around for a very long period of time. However, out of nowhere, unexpectedly, it got purchased by Canva. Immediately after the announcement, Affinity stopped accepting any purchasing methods, getting replaced by an upcoming announcement 13 October. Of course, lucky me as usual. The moment I decided to get the program for myself, I was slapped by that announcement scream. Thumbs up to me. But would past Yui ever know about what we got instead? Oh no. To keep it simple, Affinity used to branch into 3 different versions: Affinity Photo, Designer, and Publisher. Each had a task from vector work, editing, and layout. But now, rather than 3 apps, all these features got merged into one single program, the new Affinity. With all different powerful tools in one app, users can now move between photo editing to vectorizing, drawing using one single click. No need to switch program. No more wasting time with saving files and jumping here and there. No. Just one click. Boom. Another added feature is what I believe some would preserve as their strawberry on top of the cake, is the AI features. Leave us alone, AI! The AI feature will be there the moment you open the program, but you won't be able to use it unless you have Canva Premium Plan, which basically allows you to do all stuff from generative filling, expanding, erasing backgrounds, blah, 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 blah. Ignoring the AI part, everything else is so great! And yes, in case you are an Adobe user, you can also open all your files in Affinity. No pressure. Tried it and it worked seamlessly. As a designer, what excites me the most is honestly the vector side of the app. I have been managing around with other apps for photo editing like Adobe, so I have not been suffering from that side. But when it came to vectors, shapes, and all those stuff, I always found myself stuck because no matter what app I used, it never really felt enough compared to Adobe Illustrator. I'm so happy, so happy about Affinity being free, and so glad that I can go back to creating vectors. It always saddened me how creativity felt bounded and even costly sometimes. And I hope with Affinity entering the field, things would improve for the best. So, as you guys already know, Yui is a huge nerd for free programs. And with Affinity here, I'm excited to tell you that new tutorials will be coming your way. Do look forward for that, and let's embrace this amazing opportunity and continue this beautiful journey in creativity. That's it for today. Until next time, Yui is out.